First question: Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of sportswear company Adidas? Answer: Option C. Monica Batra. Next question: Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Flipkart? Answer: Option B. Saina Nehwal. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Abu Dhabi Seas Island? Answer: Option A. Ranveer Singh. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of National Anti-Dumping Agency NADA? Answer: Option D. Sunil Sethi. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of V1? Answer: Option A. Hrithik Roshan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Oppo? Answer: Option C. Shakib Al Hasan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Paytm Fast Games? Answer: Option A. Sachin Tendulkar. Who has been appointed as the global brand ambassador of MasterCard? Answer: Option C. Magnus Carlsen. Dish TV India has announced the appointment of whose Indian cricketer as a brand ambassador? Answer: Option D. Rishabh Pant. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of gaming app A23? Answer: Option A. Shah Rukh Khan. Bata India Limited appointed which Bollywood actress its brand ambassador? Answer: Option C. Disha Patani. Who is appointed as brand ambassador of Renew by? Answer: Option D. Rajkumar Rao. Who become India's new ambassador to UN Conference on Disarmament? Answer: Option A. Anupam Ray. Who has been appointed brand ambassador of Gubi? Answer: Option C. Smriti Mandhan. Maharashtra government appointed who as COVID vaccination ambassador? Answer: Option A. Salman Khan. Who is appointed as My11 Circle brand ambassador? Answer: Option B. Mohammad Siraj. Software company Adidas appointed who as its global brand ambassador? Answer: Option C. Deepika Padukone. Which Indian cricketer has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Firebolt? Answer: Option D. Virat Kohli. Who has become the new brand ambassador of One District One Product scheme in Uttar Pradesh? Answer: Option A. Kangana Ranaut. Fino Payments Bank appointed who as brand ambassador? Answer: Option D. Pankaj Tripathi. Rani Rampal and Smriti Mandhan has been appointed who as brand ambassador? Answer: Option B. Equitas Small Finance Bank. Who is appointed to be brand ambassador by Delhi government for Desh Ke Mentors program? Answer: Option C. Sonu Sood. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador of Bank of Baroda? Answer: Option B. Sefali Verma. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador of all women match official team of Ligand League Cricket? Answer: Option D. Jhulan Goswami. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of an agri-tech startup company Krishi Network? Answer: Option C. Pankaj Tripathi. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Thumbs Up? Answer: Option B. Shah Rukh Khan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the state Uttarakhand? Answer: Option A. Akshay Kumar. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Khadi and other handicraft of Bihar? Answer: Option D. Manoj Tiwari. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme of Gurugram, Haryana? Answer: Option B. Tanishka Koti and Radhika Koti. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Disney by Shirley Lornaff? Answer option B. Neeraj Chopra and PV Sindhu. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Amway India? Answer option C. Amitabh Bachchan. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of kids footwear brand Plato? Answer option A. Rahul Dravid. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of National Basketball Association? Answer option B. Ranveer Singh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of home interior brand Homelane? Answer option C. MS Dhoni. Who is the new brand ambassador of Puma? Answer option D. George Russell. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of OnePlus? Answer option A. Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Realme Mobile? Answer option B. KL Rahul. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Vivo? Answer option C. Virat Kohli. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Reebok? Answer option D. Varun Dhawan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of PhonePe? Answer option A. Amir Khan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Myntra? Answer option B. Kaira Advani. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of CoinDCX? Answer option C. Ayushman Khurana. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Trifed Adi Mahotsav? Answer option D. Mac Maricom. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Indian mobile accessories manufacturing brand Unix? Answer option A. Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Goodwill Ambassador of UNESCO? Answer option C. Naomi Kawase. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Games 24x7? Answer option B. Hrithik Roshan. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for all types of English general knowledge.